Right there, sees it. Gamble's down. Oh, there were two. So that was a completely different rabbit. Call Gamble, Brandon. Look, right there, right there, right there. Ho, ho, ho. It's right here. She sees it. Right there, right there. See it on the slope? See it on the slope? She's getting back right there, right about to go under her. Oh, I hope there's not a hole right there. It went right under her. There's no way. Right there, sees it. Gamble went down. I heard Gamble crash. Oh yeah, one's on the ground. Right there.
Yeah, they got it.
No,
Or somebody did.
that's Gamble. Screaming at the dog. I hope they didn't grab the dog. What's that? She's right here. Dogs are down there. Oh, I pulled my groin. Oh, so slippery. Where's Gamble, Brandon?
Gamble?
Yeah. Oh, right there. Okay. I don't think Gamble flew that hard. Brady, come call your bird over here. Rabbit's gonna run that way. Gamble! Ho, 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 find that bunny. Come closer this way, Braden. Oh no.
Running up the pile, I think. No, maybe not. Oh, yeah, it is.
We gotta get over there. Sees it! It just went this way. What? It just went, it crossed right by you. It's right over here now. Bruno, Bruno, Bruno! Gamble! Yeah, it squirted out right next to you. Oh, there went another one! Two of them! Oh yeah, we gotta get this. Right there, right there. She got it in the field. In the field. Get it. How'd she miss it?
I didn't even see it go down.
ho, ho, ho!
Eagle's up there and she's up here, so.
Right there, right there. There it goes. She sees it. It's gonna go out in the field. Watch. She sees it. It's right here.
Back that way.
Where's Gamble?
Gamble!
Sees it. Oh. It ran down that way. Ooh. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Ho, ho, ho. She sees it. Gamble sees it. Gamble. Gamble. Oh, dang. Sees it, sees it. They flushed it. It's gonna cross again, watch. There it goes. It's on the road.
What? It is gone. Dad,
Yeah.
is today Gamble's best day or not?
Yeah, I'd say.
Best day with Funky?
Yeah, it's as long as he's had so far.
I
And
had a better one by himself.
yeah, he did have one where he touched a couple rabbits and just kind of hold on to them. Oh my god. That was a completely different rabbit up here we saw.
There it goes. Up to the top.
Yeah.
I saw it go.
Ho, 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 ho! Yeah. Yeah. Right there. Here, just stay back in case he wants to cross. There are holes right there too, damn it. She knew she couldn't get through that. Maybe smack those trees a little, because they might be on a different rabbit. It ran right to the roots of that tree. Bruno, Bruno, Bruno!